guess it's that time of the trip to say good morning and welcome to the vlog, and we're on our way to Namibia. But we gotta go do some shopping quickly first, so yeah, we've been lazy, so we're gonna go do that. Not lazy, we just had a lot to do.
Yeah.
Okay, so shopping time. Nice knees.
Oh no, they're fat, man.
What are we getting? Lettuce? What is lettuce for?
Oh, don't question me. Did I get it right last time or not?
How lettuce? I don't know. Good.
Took a while, but we're good. Got everything, I think.
Everything in.
Except drinky poos.
Except dinky poos?
Yeah.
Not drinky poos. I was gonna make a really cool time lapse. I got the duct tape out and the GoPro, and I was gonna point it like down into the basket and then have a cool time lapse. I was walking through the shop and packing stuff in, and then they were like, "You can't film in the store, we don't allow it." I'm like, I'm filming the inside of my basket. I'm not going taking photos of your security cameras, you weirdos. The rules are their rules, I guess. So, and now we are off. We're heading to Ais Hotspring. I don't actually know which way to go, to be honest.
Not this way, I don't think.
I gotta flip around, yeah, most likely, and then go that other road. And okay, cut and look for where we're going.
Onion.
Hey.
Ai. Rain. Oat. Cloud.
What?
Clove.
This is what I'm subject to on the long roads. Teaching Nicole how to speak Afrikaans.
Yeah, and what's the reflection after being with you for 5 years now?
But you're still terrible at it.
Bad teacher. Pampoen and a Springbok. Book.
Yeah, this is Springbok.
Baba.
So we got about 7 hours of this to go. But for now, how about some sheep?
Scarpa.
Scarpa.
Why a Scarpa?
Quick sit rep, guys. We are in Springbok and we're already at the Toyota. It's actually just the diesel filter. The light came on, so they're not even taking it into the workshop. They just took the diesel filter out over there. As you can see, there's a gap there now. So they're just gonna put a new filter in quickly, and then we'll be on our way again. A little quick not pro tip for filming stuff like the sky: put your f-stop all the way up to be able to see stuff like that. Because if you look at me now, I'm at f4 now. If I go all the way up to f22, you can actually see the sky. You see? Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna just do this and then we're off again. And
Yo.
let's go. We're at the border after a long drive. We're tired now. I'm tired.
Yeah,
This is a long drive. We're not used to driving this far, so we're gonna just go through this border. It's dead empty, there's no one here. So we're gonna go through the border. The weather is unfortunately still miserable, so that's not helping. Not a very interesting vlog for you guys today, but what I'm gonna try and do, if there is not too much wind and the weather clears up, what I want to do is I want to fly the drone behind the car. I want to do one of the drone video shots like I sometimes do with the car, and then talk you guys through how I fly it and give you the raw footage while I'm talking, and then cut to the actual end file so you can kind of get an idea of how I fly the drone, how Nick drives. It's not as easy as people think. Like, there's a lot of stopping and starting and me adjusting, and so that's what I want to do once we've gotten through this, if the weather allows. Alright, let's go sign in. And whoa, it's closed, and that lens is so dirty. It's fine, you're right. And we're in low man's land officially. There's some palm trees and some stuff here. Welcome to Namibia, unofficially, because we've got to still cross that border. There's some birds. This is the Orange River. This is where people do rafting. Exciting stuff. Welcome to Namibia. What can I can do? We've got probably, I don't actually know, probably about an hour or hour and a half's drive still. There's a phantom.
Welkom bij Ais Ais.
No, Ai Ais.
Ai Ais. keep getting it wrong. I keep saying Ais Ais. I must be thirsty.
Ais Ais.
Alright, we're gonna go check in quick and then find a campsite and then start a fire and braai. Because I haven't braaied in 8 months.
Yonkers.
Not 8 months, but I haven't had a braai in a proper braai with kameeldoring wood in 8 months.
What?
I didn't buy beer.
No.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? I think the reception's over there, Liv.
Yeah.
Hi there.
How are you?
And yourself?
Fine, thank you.
Lovely, we're just checking in for camping.
Is how many nights?
Just one. What are we gonna do now, Liv?
Hot Springs.
Hot Springs. We're gonna do nothing else. We're not even gonna look for a campsite. We're just gonna go straight to the pools and swim in the hot spring because it's been a very, very, very long day of driving.
This one's my favourite. Do not pee, spit, blow, nose, or deposit any foreign material in the pool. The guy.
That's hilarious. I know. Because out of this place because it's getting colder. Yeah, I think they turned the pump water, and then I think it gets cold pretty quickly. We're gonna go and make a nice campfire.
We don't have tracks.
Let's go.
Nope.
What is this? Lovely white linen, brand new duck down duvet. Comfy. I like to sleep comfy. There's 3. One each, one for my legs.
One for Princess.
The fire going. The cook a nice booty now. Touch that. And relax. So this is our campsite for tonight. We just had dinner, had a nice drink. Where's the moon? Full moon tonight, as you can see. Right, while Nick's busy, I'm gonna say goodnight. I'm gonna help her finish everything up. I'm gonna copy all the files over to the hard drive for storage, so I can clear all the equipment, and then we can shoot again tomorrow. I am exhausted. It was a long day's driving. We left early this morning, 7 o'clock or whatever it was we left, and we only got here at 7, so it was about 12 hours of travel. So yeah, gonna finish all this and then we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We'll be full of energy. We've got some Red Bulls, we've got some coffee, and we're gonna fly the drone tomorrow. So have a good night. See ya. Ciao.